Friends, thank you for watching my channel. I just want to remind you, if you need wallpaper, go to www.wallpaperboulevard.com. Tell them Spencer sent you. In fact, if you use my hashtag, vinyl wallpaper, you really can't beat its durability. But did you ever burn your wallpaper? Paste has a bad habit of getting into those crevices. Now I can tell you, if you're hanging what's called crocodile or alligator wallpaper, the dark version, to get this off, all you gotta do is use a toothbrush and warm water. You'll get it out. That wallpaper is notorious for wallpaper discoloration caused by paste. But this, I have scrubbed it, and guess what? I can tell after rubbing it that it's going to remain. Here's what happens when you wipe down wallpaper, especially on commercial projects. Wallpaper paste is translucent. When you wet it, the wallpaper paste is completely translucent. It takes on the color of the material on top of which it is dried. But when you wet it, you make it imperceptible to the human eye. And that's why most people who leave wallpaper paste on their wallpaper don't do it on purpose, or don't do it as a result of laziness. It simply becomes translucent to the point where you can't see it. However, you can always feel it. You can always feel paste residue. Your hand will slide and then it'll stop sliding, which means you got paste there. I felt nothing here when I wet it. I'm very disappointed. Nonetheless, I'm not leaving this for my customer. You know, I don't like it. It's grossly imperfect when you look at everything else. This is not right. It drives me nuts. So we're going to do surgery. Taking the same piece as this, I'm going to cut that out. That's my solution. So let me get that in place. Is it in place? You'll know when you matched up at the top. The sides and the bottom. See that? You want to be matched up. Okay? Because the results can be very noticeable if you're not matched up. Okay? Let's check where we got to cut. Okay, I'm going to put that back down and then we'll cut it. Better to do with a single edge blade. Okay, if you study a blade, you'll see why a single edge blade is the best way to go. Where's my smoother? Okay. Did you ever lose your smoother? I don't want to shut off the video because I don't want you thinking I'm doing anything funny. I know it's good because I couldn't find it when I went to, clean it up. Now remember to let the piece book and expand. Do you know what I mean? Your patch should be fully extended, expanded. Because it won't fit. And that goes with all wallpaper, even paper. Okay, let me clean up and then show you the final. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.